Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this MK7 GTi in for a Wavetrac ATB LSD upgrade. So it's actually from one of our dealers, been dropped down from WG Motor Parts, so shout out to them for dropping the car down. So obviously upgrading from the standard open differential to a Wavetrac differential. This particular car is a non-performance pack model, so it doesn't have the ELSD. So yeah, we're going to get the car in the workshop, get the Wavetrac diff out, also standard open differential, and then walk you through the upgrade. Okay, so obviously we're in the workshop. We've got the MK7 GTi behind us, about to install the Wavetrac diff. So we've got the standard open differential from another gearbox that we removed before here in front of us, and we've got the Wavetrac diff that we're going to be upgrading it with. So this car is a DSG and it's a non-performance pack model. So obviously these models don't come with any ELSD. They've only got like the electronic differential in these cars. Big problem with the electronic differential is basically that it just breaks the wheel that's spinning freely. Obviously that puts a lot of load through the brakes, a lot of heat through the brakes. If you're using the car on track like this customer, you're going to be adding a lot of unnecessary heat through the brakes, and obviously using the brakes is a slower way to accelerate out of the corners. Yeah, so this customer wants to upgrade to the Wavetrac differential. So obviously the Wavetrac differential seamlessly biases power to the wheel with the most amount of grip and powers both of the wheels as well. So you can actually turn off the XDS, which is like the electric diff that brakes the wheels, to allow the Wavetrac to basically just freely bias as it wants to. So one thing about these differentials for the DSG is they come with parking teeth around the differential. So this one has 25 and others have 20 teeth, like the earlier models have 20 teeth. So when you're sort of like speccing one of these, you just want to make sure you order the correct one for your particular parking teeth. You speak to one of our performance specialists, they'll be able to guide you through it. So it's pretty simple, well documented now. So obviously differences between the Wavetrac and the other diffs on the market, like the Quaife, M-Factory, all these other ones that are ATBs, is that the Wavetrac obviously has the cam device in the center that can still allow it to function when axle load is lost. You've probably seen one of the videos before we explain the disc, we'll just run over it briefly again. So obviously axle load is lost when like a wheel lifts, when suspension unloads, or when a wheel begins to spin freely. So what that basically is when you experience wheel spin, if you're on the track, you're going over the curbs and obviously the wheel's lifted, or even just when you're like cornering heavily, and obviously the car, all the weight is coming off the inside of when you're cornering, and then that wheel then begins to spin freely and you start to lose momentum. So in all those situations, the Wavetrac will still be able to bias power and you still maintain the forward momentum. So yeah, we're going to get the car on the ramp, obviously on the ramp at the moment. We're going to get up in the air, remove the gearbox, get it fitted, and hope you enjoy the video. thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.